Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is glorious. Glorious is an adjective that describes something extremely beautiful, enjoyable, impressive, or successful, often creating a strong feeling of pleasure, admiration, or celebration in others. For example, after days of rain, the hikers reached the summit under glorious sunshine and spent an hour enjoying the clear mountain views and warm air. The restaurant served a glorious chocolate cake with a rich center and crisp topping, and everyone at the table asked for another slice. Winning the championship was a glorious moment for the team, especially after years of close losses and difficult seasons that had tested their confidence. Synonyms for glorious include splendid, magnificent, wonderful, superb, and excellent. Glorious is often used for weather, victories, experiences, and impressive sights, and it emphasizes strong admiration or delight, not simply that something is good. That's glorious. One word, stronger English.